In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the SWIFT code of Chase Bank. A lot of people need this code when they're receiving international payments or transferring money abroad, and if you don't know where to look, it can be a little confusing. So let's quickly go through the steps. First, just open up your browser and head over to the official Chase Bank website. Make sure you're on the real site and not any third-party one. Now, once you're there, simply log in to your Chase account using your username and password. After logging in, look at the top right-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a search icon right there. Go ahead and click on it. Now, in the search bar, just type My SWIFT Code and then hit Enter. Once you do that, Chase will bring up the relevant page where your SWIFT code is displayed. Usually for Chase Bank in the United States, the main SWIFT code is Chase's 33, but it's always better to confirm it directly through your account because sometimes it can vary depending on the type of account or the branch you're using. Another way you can find it is by checking your account statements, because many times banks include the SWIFT code information there as well. And if you're still not sure, you can always call Chase customer support and ask them directly, and they'll provide you the correct code. So that's it. Pretty simple. Now you know exactly how to find Chase Bank's SWIFT code in just a few steps. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below